Hello YouTube, Johnny B here with a quick unboxing. Let's get the paperwork out of the way. Alright. Let's see here. All right. This one here first. Random Year Silver Eagle. (2020). These are actually my first Britannias. I don't have any of these, so I wanted to pick a couple of them up. Very nice. It's got a lot of detail. I like that. That is the 2021. I think I got a 2020 also. Very cool. So that's got a little kind of a different finish in the field there from the 2020 to the 2021. All right. I picked up a couple of these little 10th ounce APMEX Mercury Dime designs. I forgot I had ordered a bunch of these, well, not a bunch, probably like half a tube back when I first started stacking, so I figured I might as well maybe try to complete that tube with these. Here's just little 10th ounce rounds. Wow. And I got my capsule for my 1.5 ounce coin that I got on my last purchase. So that's cool. He doesn't have to sit back there without being in a nice home. Now he has a home. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.